3 of the 9 biggest AI automation channels on YouTube just tripled their view to subscriber ratio. All 3 pivoted to the same topic at the same time. You can't see that by scrolling. Here's how to catch it with data, using one Apify actor and a spreadsheet in about 20 minutes. What we're building today turns every channel you care about into ranked, data-backed answers to one question. What should I film next? Here's exactly how to do it. Head to Apify store and search for YouTube Scraper. There are 2 ways to point it at your competition. If you already know who they are, paste in their channel URLs. That's what we'll do here, with 3 channels in the AI automation niche. If you're still mapping the niche, switch to keyword search and let the actor pull the top channels matching a term. Either input gets you the same data. Set maximum results per channel. For monthly tracking, the last 30 to 50 videos per channel is enough to spot patterns without bloating the dataset. Set a date range if you only care about recent uploads. And if you want to go even deeper, you can enable YouTube Scraper to download video subtitles. That gives you the script of every competitor video, so you can analyze hooks, CTAs, content structure, on top of titles and metrics. Saving the run as a task is what makes schedule tracking work in the future. Without a saved config, you'd be re-entering these settings every week. Now hit start. The fields you want for competitor analysis are title, views, likes, comments, publish date, duration, and description. Export to CSV, then filter which fields you want. If you want this to land somewhere automatically every week, hook it up to Google Drive. Trigger on run succeeded, and the file shows up in the folder you specify. Schedule the task to run weekly, and your dataset always stays fresh. Now the analysis layer. Paste the CSV into Claude. If you're working in Claude Code or CoWork, the Apify MCP integration skips the export entirely. YouTube Scraper output feeds straight into your Claude session. No copy pasting. Either way, the prompts do the work. The first prompt we'll use is all about topic discovery. Ask Claude to group video titles into themes, count videos per theme, and pull the average engagement rate. That's likes plus comments divided by views times by 100. It's like any theme where engagement is 2x or more above the dataset average. This is the most important prompt in the whole workflow. By the time a topic shows up as trending in your feed, half your competitors are already on it, and the algorithm has moved on. This catches the move while you can still be early and act on it. The second prompt is for engagement outliers. Ask Claude to find the top 10 videos by engagement rate, filter to videos with 20,000 plus views, and tag each by format: tutorial, opinion or reaction, course, listicle, or review. The view threshold matters. Without it, a tiny channel with 1 viral video skews the whole list. The output tells you which formats are winning. In our run, 2 formats split the top: opinion-driven videos pulling high comment counts, and long-form tutorials and courses with high like counts. The third prompt is for recommendations. Hand Claude the patterns from the first 2 prompts and ask for 4 concrete video ideas, each with a working title, format, length, and the data point that supports it. What you get back is the answer to what should I film next, with the data behind every pick. If you're running this in Claude Code or CoWork with Apify MCP, scrape, analyze, and recommend run end-to-end in one session. Next time you want to run it on a different niche, it's one command. The next time a content shift happens in your space, you see it in the data before you see it in your view counts. You know what to film, what formats are winning, and which competitor proved it. Start your first scrape from the link below. Subscribe for more workflows like this, and drop a comment if you want to see this run on a different niche.